Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Apple Pay on WooCommerce for US. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing Apple Pay on WooCommerce, ensure your website is set up with an SSL certificate for secure transactions. Access your WooCommerce dashboard by logging into your WordPress site. Navigate to the WooCommerce section located on the left-hand menu. Click on Settings to enter the configuration options for your store. Select the Payments tab to view available payment methods. Look for Stripe in the list of payment gateways and click on Manage. If you haven't already, create a Stripe account by visiting the Stripe website, and once your account is set up, obtain your API keys from the Stripe dashboard. In the Stripe settings on WooCommerce, enter your published and secret API keys in the appropriate fields. Enable the Apple Pay option within the Stripe payment settings. Customize the settings for Apple Pay according to your preferences. Save your changes after configuring the settings. Next, verify that you have a valid domain in your Stripe account for Apple Pay to work. Return to your WooCommerce site and navigate to your storefront. Add a product to the cart and proceed to checkout. Select Apple Pay as the payment option to test its functionality. If prompted, ensure that you have a compatible Apple device and a configured Apple Wallet. Follow the instructions on your device to complete the transaction. Once completed, check your WooCommerce orders to confirm the Apple Pay transaction was successful. Now, you have successfully authorized Apple Pay on WooCommerce for the US. If the page does not load, make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.